sponsored by Ailiceehr store on Amazon. Now they did send me their 613 transparent pre-plucked 22-inch wig, and this wig is also a 13x4. Those who don't know what a 13x4 is, basically this wig is versatile. You can do a side part, which is what I chose to style, or you can do a middle part, or you can go ahead and flip it over to the other side. So if you like your side part maybe not on this side, you can do it on the other side. So that's what makes the wig a 13x4, just the versatility basically of how you could style the hair. Now of course the first thing that I want to talk about, you guys, is the lace. I do think that the lace blends pretty well. However, just make sure that you have a good glue. I would say this would do good with Ghost Bond glue, only because I feel like you really have to make sure this wig is secure. I didn't just like glue my hair and then attach the lace onto it. I wanted to cut it just a little bit more, again, because there was so much lace, which is not like a bad thing, but I don't know, whatever works for you. I just felt like I had to cut the lace and then lay it down, and it worked out well for me. Also on the edges, you will have to cut just a little bit more just to fit the circumference of your head as well.
Ain't no going back no more, no more. We're in the same bed. Can I lay your way? Let's fill up this space with us. Butterfly, yeah, you make me feel brand new. Oh, I feel it coming. Gotta rush like I'm running late. You're looking for something. Oh, I feel it coming. Gotta rush like I'm running late. No longer looking for something. No more, 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 So you seem to think you're invincible. You're so far from silhouette. You tell on yourself between every word and leave all this room for me. Butterfly, yeah, love this feeling for you. Oh, I feel it coming. Gotta rush like I'm running late. I'm looking for something. Oh, I feel it coming. Gotta rush like I'm running late. No longer looking for something. No more.
Now as far as the baby hairs, you guys, now with this I did want to switch it up a little bit. I know most of the time I do lay my baby hairs down in the front and then do some here and here, you know, just a little bit dramatic of the baby hairs. With this unit, I feel like I didn't have to do too much. Now this unit is a blonde unit, so you really don't have to do too much. As far as the parting space, you guys, I will say the parting ends may be about 4 to 5 inches back, so it's still a little bit of versatility, but you will see that it stops at a certain point. You may get more space doing a middle part than you would a side part. I really wanted to style this blonde unit as a side part just to see how it looks. I don't think I've ever done a side part with a blonde unit, and it ended up so pretty, you guys. And this is like a deep side part. That's the only way I love my hair when I do side parts. So it came out really nice. You guys can also see I did also pluck the hair. Even though the hair is already pre-plucked, I did have to pluck just a little bit more just to make it look just a little bit more natural. One thing about this hair also, you guys, is that this hair has a lot of flyaways, okay? So you'll want to make sure that you use your hot comb and also use your hair wax stick, some got-to-be glue spray, anything you use to get your hair down, some type of spritz, so that you get them flyaways down and also get the bulkiness down on this hair.
thing I will say about this hair, you guys, is that it takes heat so well. Now this hair is giving me a yucky texture feel, just a slight texture of like a silky type of texture, but more so of a yucky. But it's not that yucky where it feels stiff or where it feels like you can't really curl the hair, flat iron the hair without it looking like it's just really stiff. This hair is very soft. I think this is like probably the second or third blonde unit that I've had that is very nice. Okay, sometimes these blonde units, they can look really dry, stiff. This hair is really soft. No tangling, no shedding.
All right, you guys, so while we're letting the curls just sit for a little bit, let them stay rolled up before I like finger comb them out a little bit just to make it a little more voluptuous. Let's go ahead and talk about the edge wrap that I have on. So I did get this hair wrap from Beauty by Boujie Hair Company. Now she did send me three products. She sent me the edge scarf, of course. As you guys can see, this is what you use to lay down your edges, whether you want to use it after you've already styled your hair or after you styled your baby hairs, however you want to lay your hair down. She also sent me the Beauty by Boujie bonnet. Look how silky and secure this bonnet already looks, you guys. Just say if you don't even want to wear like your edge scarf, this is something that'll definitely be like a protective style for you to lay down your lace, your baby hairs. This is like the perfect bonnet for that. So I'm so happy that I found somebody that actually puts this, it's like another band on their bonnet, because they want to make your hair secure. Like, I love a company that thinks about the consumer. Like, you know what I'm saying? If someone wants to wear a bonnet, they want to keep it on during the night. That is the point of a bonnet. You don't want to wake up and then the bonnet is like off your head. That defeats the purpose of it being like something protective over your hair and also trying to lay down your lace or your edges. So not only do you have the edge scarf, you definitely have another like edge scarf slash bonnet. So definitely, and then it's silky, so that definitely does good on your hair. So whether you're wearing like weave, you could do this with your real hair too. And this scarf is pretty big, you guys, so you could definitely fit this around your whole head. So whether you want to wrap your real hair around and wrap this scarf around it, whether you want to use it around your edges to lay down your baby hairs, this is like an all-purpose type of scarf. So her products, I really would say definitely buy her products, because this is a company who really cares about how you're treating your hair, how you're protecting your hair when you're styling it, protecting it at night. So I say her products are so bomb, you guys, because they're like versatile. You can use this when you're going to bed. You can use it for like when you need to style it, when you're about to go out and you want to lay your hair down really quick. You could definitely use that part as something to lay down your edges and also your lace. So definitely check out these products, you guys. I will have her information in the description box below. Very affordable as well, if I must say. So definitely check out my description box for these products, you guys. I will have everything down below.
It didn't give me any issues. The only thing that I had a problem with was the flyaways, but that is the only thing. Like I said, this hair takes curls so well. And I would say like the best way to achieve a good curl is to just let it sit, hold it once you've curled it, let it sit, and then once you're done, then finger comb it or comb through it. Because the longer you let it sit in the curls, just the more like bouncier it'll look, the more the curls will look just, you know, voluptuous and nice.